Rosa Parks. Rosa McCauley was born in Alabama in 1913. Rosa and her family are African Americans. Her parents taught her that all people should be treated equally. Rosa's mother was a teacher. She taught Rosa how to read. Rosa was a good student, but she could only go to schools for African Americans. The United States had segregation laws in the early 1900s. Segregation separated people because of the color of their skin. White people and African American people were kept apart. Rosa did not like the segregation laws. Neither did Raymond Parks. They worked together to end segregation. Rosa married Raymond in 1932. Rosa and Raymond worked hard for the National Association for the Advancement of Colored People, NAACP. This group worked for equal rights for African Americans. Laws in some states said African Americans could sit only in the back of the bus. One day, in 1955, a bus driver asked Rosa to give her seat to a white man, but Rosa did not move. Rosa was arrested. She was fined $10. The NAACP asked African Americans to boycott buses. For 1 year, African Americans did not ride city buses in Rosa's town. Rosa went to court. In 1956, the U.S. Supreme Court ruled that segregation on public buses was against the law. Rosa won her case. Rosa still works for equal rights. She won the Medal of Honor in 1999. She helps young people become good citizens. People call Rosa Parks the mother of the civil rights movement.